southeastern Muskingum County in east central Ohio until 4:15 p.m. At 3:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Blue Rock State Park and was moving east at 10 miles an hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Blue Rock State Park, Rural Dale, High Hill. This storm also is producing torrential rain. Poor drainage areas may flood quickly. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS